Hi guys, my name is Yao and you're welcome to another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to helping you to read, write and speak the Akan language of Ghana. You may support us by subscribing to the channel, and if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Alright, so today I want us to briefly zone in on the conjunction end. Alright, the conjunction end. And if you don't know what a conjunction is simply a word that connects two or more words, phrases, clauses, and even sentences together. Okay, so we have a set of words that we use to connect different words, phrases, clauses and sentences together, and those are what we call conjunctions. All right, so in English we have conjunctions like and, right, the one that we are going to look at in this lesson. We have but, okay, we have because, we have yet, we have so, we have if, we have even if, we have as if, okay, and so many other conjunctions. All right, but in this lesson I want us to focus on the conjunction end, chi. Now in English, end is always end, right? It doesn't change. So whether we are connecting simple words, phrases, clauses or sentences, we still use the same thing, end, right? So I can connect simple words like mattress and blanket, bed and pillow, book and pen, work and happiness, right? And I can also connect sentences like Kofi played the piano and I danced, right? So Kofi played the piano, a complete sentence, and I danced. So I have connected the two with the conjunction end, right? Or she came to my house and we left. She came to my house and we left. Two complete propositions, right? Connected with the conjunction end. But this is not the case in chi. All right, so in chi we have a different form of end for connecting simple words and phrases, and we have a different form of end for connecting clauses and sentences. All right, so to connect simple words and phrases we use ne, okay, so that's end, ne. And to connect clauses and sentences, we use na. Okay, there's actually another form of the second one, but we are not going to look at that in this lesson. All right, for this lesson, let's focus on ne and then na. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect some simple words and phrases with the first one, ne. Okay, so we have Papa ne bone. Papa ne bone. Papa ne bone. Okay, we have Odo ne otain. Odo ne otain. Odo ne otain. We have Ebro ne nkatie. Ebro ne nkatie. Ebro ne nkatie. Esen ne techrema. Esen ne techrema. Esen ne techrema. Esen ne techrema. Okay, we have Bema tietia ne oba tenten. Okay. Bema tietia ne oba tenten. Bema tietia ne oba tenten. We have nkwa ne owuo. Nkwa ne owuo. Nkwa ne owuo. And then we have anopa ne ewia. Anopa ne ewia. Anopa ne ewia. And we can even add a third one to get anopa ne ewia ne anajo. Okay. Anopa ne ewia ne anajo. Or anopa ewia ne anajo. All right. Anopa ewia ne anajo. Afe mpinu ne dunkron. Afe mpinu ne dunkron. Afe mpinu ne dunkron. Okay. Afe mpinu ne dunkron. And these wouldn't change even if we put them within sentences. Okay. So if we put these kinds of connections within sentential frames, this form of the conjunction end, so the ne, wouldn't change. Okay, it will remain the same, right? So for instance, I can say Kofi to atadie ne mpabwa. Okay, Kofi to atadie ne mpabwa. All right, so you see the ne in there. Kofi to atadie ne mpabwa. And I can say ohene no ware ama ne abna. Ohene no ware ama ne abna. Ohene no ware ama ne abna. He should be arrested, right? Ohene no ware ama ne abna. Okay. Mfitiasie no onyankopon bo osoro ne asase. Mfitiasie no onyankopon bo osoro ne asase. Okay. Mfitiasie no onyankopon bo osoro ne asase. Now let's try and connect some sentences with the second form of the conjunction end. Na. Na. You remember, right? Na. Okay. And for the first one, we have abna huofe na obuadienso. Abna huofe na obuadienso. Abna huofe na obuadienso. You get it, right? So we have abna huofe, a complete thought, a complete proposition, and then we have obuadienso, and we've connected the two with na end. Abna huofe na obuadienso. Abna huofe na obuadienso. And for the second one, we have Kofi frɛ me na me bae. Kofi frɛ me na me bae. Okay, so we have Kofi frɛ me, a complete sentence. Me bae, I came, right? So Kofi frɛ me na me bae. Kofi frɛ me na me bae. Ama kata neni na ofe kwadwo ano. Ama kata neni na ofe kwadwo ano. Ama kata neni na ofe kwadwo ano. So, in summary, just know that in Twi, we have two basic forms of the conjunction and. Right? So we have ne, which is used to connect simple words and phrases, and then we have na, which is used to connect clauses and sentences. Okay? And you can't interchange them. No, you can't. All right? So if we go back to our earlier examples, for example, if we take papa ne bone, you can't say papa na bone. No. Okay? And similarly, you can't say Kofi frɛ me ne me bae. No, it has to be Kofi frɛ me na me bae. Okay? All right, so this is where we end today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next one.